Hello students, welcome back to our class. Today we are going to start our 23rd chapter, Home and Abroad. In this chapter, we are going to see about two families. One is Seal's family and another one is Aravind Uncle's family. Seal's family is lived in Gujarat and Aravind Uncle's and his family living in Abu Dhabi. Since morning, everybody has been running around at Seal's house. Why? Because Aravind uncle and his family were coming home after 5 years. And 5 years ago, Aravind uncle got a job in Abu Dhabi. Since then he had lived there. Seal and her father went to the airport to receive them. Now we are going to study about some facts about Gujarat and Abu Dhabi. The present state of Gujarat came into being on May 1960. It is situated on the west coast of India. The state is bounded by the Arabian Sea on the west, Pakistan and Rajasthan in the north and northeast respectively, Madhya Pradesh in the southeast and Maharashtra in the south. This is the map of Gujarat. And Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is an island desert and there is dust all around. There are sandy areas, but the color of sand keeps changing from place to place. White, brown, yellow, red and black. There are mountains made of sand that are known as sand dunes. This is the picture of Abu Dhabi. There are many amazing places to visit in Abu Dhabi. Ferrari World, Emirates Palace, Emirates Park Zoo, Warner Bros World, Louvre Museum and Yas Island. In Gujarat, there are many places. That is Rangi Vav, Dhalavira, Vijay Vilas Palace, Gir National Park, Lothal, Uppercote Fort, Dwarkadish Temple, Palitana Jain Temple, Junagadh Buddhist Caves, White Desert Kutch, Sun Temple Modhera, Adalak Stepwell, Somnath Temple, Akshardham Temple, Kutch Bustard Sanctuary. The climate of Gujarat involves diverse conditions. The plains of Gujarat are very hot and dry in summer and cold and dry in winter. Summer is milder in the hilly regions and the coast. During summers, the daytime temperature is around 49 degrees Celsius and at night no lower than 30 degrees Celsius. And Gujarat is famous for its traditional clothing, food and natural landscape. Asiatic lion, Ran of Kutch, colorful handicrafts, festival and culture are some of the things that make Gujarat famous. The official language of the United Arab Emirates is Arabic. Modern standard Arabic is taught in schools and most native Emirates speak a dialect of Gulf Arabic that is generally similar to that spoken in surrounding countries. In Gujarat, Gujarati is the part of Greater Indo-European language family. It has evolved in Sanskrit and is an Indo-Aryan language. It is the official language for the state of Gujarat on the west coast of India and some other territories and regions such as Daman, Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Relish the flammables of Gujarat food are our top 13 traditional recipes. Kanvi, one of the much loved Gujarati snacks. Kanvi is also known as patuli or dahi vada and made with gram flour. Gujarati samosa, aam srikhand with mango salad. Gujarati kadi, dokla, bardoli ki khichdi, methi ka tepla and dal dokli. In Ahmedabad, kusi, also known as guzi, is the national dish of the United Arab Emirates. It is served during special occasion, but you can also find this in restaurant otherwise. It is one of the most popular dishes in Abu Dhabi and is considered a meal in itself. Traditional dress for men is a long white cotton shirt and a head dress secured by a leather rope. The traditional dress for women is a long black cloak over long loose clothing and a black headscarf. Some local women also cover their face in various ways. Sometimes the face is completely covered. In Gujarat, traditional dresses of Gujarati men. Chon. Chono is a type of cotton pants that the Gujarati men wear. Kedu. Kedu is a garment that is worn above the chorno to cover the top part of the body. Dhoti, kurta, pendo, jewelry, gagra choli or chaniya choli, traditional dress of Gujarat. The main crops grown in Kharif seasons are grain, millet, bajra, maize, paddy, groundnut, and in Rabi season these are cotton, wheat, mustard, cumin and vegetables. Besides, sugarcane is also grown in some districts. The major vegetable crops supplying nearly all the country needs during the season are tomatoes, cabbage, eggplant, squash and cauliflower. Ras Al Khaimah produces most of the country vegetables. In addition to dates, the major fruit crops are citrus and mangoes. In this lesson, we can see that Seals and his father going to airport to receive Arvind uncles and family. Then children, do you know which are the different modes of transport? They are air, water and land. Land transport includes rails or railways, road and off-road transport. Other modes also exist including pipelines, cable transport and space transport. There are mainly two forms of land transport which are rail transport and road transport. Example, bus, car, train, etc. Air transport. It is the mode of transport used in the movement of passengers or goods by aircraft such as airplanes and helicopters in air. Examples, airplane, helicopter, etc. The air travel today is the fastest, most comfortable and prestigious mode of transport. It has reduced distance by minimizing the travel time. It is very essential for a vast country like India where distances are large and the terrain and climatic conditions are diverse. Then what is airport? An airport is a place where aircraft land and take off which has building and facilities for passengers. This is the picture of airport. This also airport. After the plane landed, the passengers had to wait for some time to collect their luggage. At last, Arvind uncle, Neeta auntie and their children could be seen coming out. How big Hensi and Paul have grown, father said. Soon, many suitcases and bags were loaded into the taxi and everyone was on the way to Seal's house. After the plane landed and the passengers had to wait for some time for collecting their luggage. And last, Arvind uncle, Neeta auntie and their children could be seen. And Hensi and Paul are Arvind uncle's children. Hensi, you must be very tired after such a long journey. Father told me that Abu Dhabi is far from India, said Seal. We are not tired. Even though it is far, our flight took only 2 hours. The plane flies very fast. Which is the fastest mode of transport? Air transport. Seal was surprised. She remembered that when she had gone on school trip to Delhi, they had spent almost 20 hours in the train. And on the map, Junagadh and Delhi seemed quite near. Seal, Hensi and Paul chatted all the way to home from the airport. Seal remembered how much fun she had on her school trip. She wanted Hensi to tell them all about her trip from Abu Dhabi. Children, do you know what is sand dunes? Sand dunes is a hill of sand near an ocean or in a desert that is formed by the wind. Mainly sand dunes are seen in the desert area. Then what is desert? A desert is a barren area of landscape where little precipitation occurs and consequently living conditions are hostile for plant and animal life. The lack of vegetation exposes the unprotected surface of the ground to the process of denudation. About one third of the land surface of the world is arid or semi-arid. Some animals are living in desert areas. Foxes, spiders, antelopes, elephants, and lions are common desert species. Desert fox, child, Adas antelope, desert scorpion, camel, Aramandio lizard, thorny devil, rock hopper, penguin. This is sandy dunes. The trees cannot grow in desert areas due to the lack of soil fertility, lack of water, and all the plants which does not need water will grow. The main trees are barrel cactus. Barrel cactus is the most common plant found in the desert across the world. You have seen many interesting things from the plane, isn't it? Asked Seal. Most of the time we saw only clouds because the plane was flying so high, even higher than clouds, said Hensi. But before it went so high, we could see that we were flying over sandy areas. It was sand, but the color of sand kept changing: white, brown, yellow, red, black. We saw mountains made only of sand. They are called sand dunes. Added Pal. I have seen sand only at the seashore, said Seal. Then you should come to visit us, said Aravind Bhai. The countries around Abu Dhabi are located in a desert area. Even if one drives a little away from the city, one can see miles and miles of sand. No trees, no greenery, just sand. The countries around the Abu Dhabi are located in which place? Desert area. There is only sand are seeing. I used to dream of the thick greenery and cool water around our home in Gujarat, said Nida Andy. I am so happy to see all these after such a long time. The children have almost forgotten how they feel when it rains. You know, it almost never rains in the desert area. Water is really very precious over there because there is no rain. Scarcity of water is there. No rain, no rivers, no lakes, no ponds. Even below the ground, there is no water. But there is a lot of oil under the sandy soil. So petrol is easily available in these countries. In Abu Dhabi, petrol is easily available. Added Pal. In fact, petrol is cheaper than water. In which place petrol is cheaper than water? Abu Dhabi, said Aravind uncle. By this time, all reached Seal's house. Hensi and Pal were surprised to see so many fruit trees. Coconut, bananas, jackfruit, papaya, betel nut, and so many kind of trees. And which trees are seeing there? Coconut, bananas, jackfruit, papaya, betel nut. Paul said, we used to see only one kind of tree there, the date palms, because it is the only one that can be grow in the desert area. Which trees grow in desert area? Date palms. Which plant? Cactus plant. Children, do you know what is a globe? A globe is a spherical model of Earth. It serves purposes that are similar to some maps. A model globe of the celestial sphere is called a celestial globe. A globe is better when you want to see what the world looks like from space because a map is flat and does not look real. A globe is better when you want to see the North Pole and South Pole in the correct places because a flat map can't show them the way they really look from the space. This is the picture of globe. Nice gift and photographs. After they had met everyone, Nida and Andy unpacked their bags. They had brought a gift for everyone. They gave dates for everyone to eat. The dates were very sweet and tasty. What were very sweet and tasty? Dates. Paul showed Seal some currency notes and coins. Hensi explained that the money they used in Abu Dhabi is called dirham. What is the money called in Abu Dhabi? Dirham. In India, there is rupees. It had some writing in their local Arabic language. They also showed many photographs of the place where they lived. Arvind uncle gave Seal a globe. He said, Seal, why don't you find Abu Dhabi on this globe? And where is Gujarat? The children enjoyed playing with the globe and looking at different places on the globe. Seal found Delhi and Junagadh also. In the evening, everyone sat in the veranda enjoying the breeze and looking at the photograph. They saw that Abu Dhabi, the building were tall with many story and big glass windows. Seal said, you must be getting nice cool breeze through these big windows. Aravind uncle said, we cannot open the window because of heat. Because in Abu Dhabi there is more heat. It is air conditioned inside all houses. As weather is very hot, people wear loose cotton clothes and keep themselves fully covered. Even the head is also covered. This protect from the strong heat of sun. What is the dress of Abu Dhabi people? People wear loose cotton clothes and keep themselves fully covered. Even the head is also covered and this protect them from the heat of sun. Seal enjoyed looking at the picture and finding out about the other countries from her cousins. She constantly kept comparing her city with the things and they had described about Abu Dhabi. She decided that she could make a project report about Abu Dhabi for her class. Look here. Here some pictures are given. This is new Indian rupees. This is old Indian rupees. And this is dirham. This is the rupees of Abu Dhabi. In Abu Dhabi, it is called dirham. You can make a small report comparing Abu Dhabi with the place where you live. You can use some of these points mentioned below while writing the report. You can also draw pictures or paste photographs. The climate and weather. In Abu Dhabi, there is very hot climate. The trees and plants. In Abu Dhabi, the main trees is date palms and cactus plants are growing there. Clothing. They are very loose clothes, loose cotton clothes. And in multi-store building with windows. And traffic. Many type of vehicles are going there. The common food items and the language. The main language is Arabic. Why do you think less trees grow in desert? Less trees are grown in desert areas as there is scarcity of water. Do you have any relative who live in another country? If yes, where? Yes, one of my uncle lives in America. How long did they live there? Did they go there for studies or for work? Was there any other reason? He has been living there for more than 40 years. He went there for doing his masters and got a job with a good salary. Look at these currency notes. Write the value of each note in the box near its picture. First one is 5 rupees note. Next one 10 rupees note. This is 100 rupees note. And this is 500 rupees note. To which country does this currency belong? How did you know? This currency belongs to India. I know it because Reserve Bank of India is printed on them. Where is printed Reserve Bank of India? Look here. Here mentioned Reserve Bank of India. Whose picture can you see on the notes? We can see the Mahatma Gandhi's picture, our father of nations picture. We see Mahatma Gandhi's picture on the notes. Take 10 rupees note and observe it carefully. How many language can you see on the note? I can see 15 language on the note. Write the name of the bank given on the note. Reserve Bank of India is the name of the bank given on the note. Observe the coin. Match them according to the head and tails. this is 50 rupees and this also 50 rupees. This is 2 rupees and this also 2 rupees. This is 5 rupees and this also 5 rupees. Which coin remains without much? 1 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin and 10 rupees coin. How many of these coins do you recognize? I can recognize all the coins given in the picture. What is written on each coin other than the value? The name of the country India is written on each coin other than the value. Look at this note. Do they all belong to India? Put a circle around notes that are not Indian. Find out which country do they belong to. This is not Indian notes. This also not Indian notes. This also not Indian notes. This also not Indian. This also not Indian. This also not Indian. This also not Indian. And this also not Indian. In this chapter, we learned about India and Abu Dhabi. Each country have their own traditions and culture. Their language also different. I think you all understand this chapter. Thank you.